So what are the rules to this kind of fighting?
You can't get your hands out, not your hands. You can only get your hands out if you're going to fall or
No.
you get hit. Or if you need to pull up your pants. You need to get out and pull out your pants.
You want to smack down, Brock?
No. Hi. Your body's stronger than your feet. Okay, now you only can use your hands. Ready, set, go.
Well, how can you walk then?
Well, you can walk. Are these bows? Are these bows? Are these bows?
Hand seems like a bad idea.
Are these bows? Your body. Can I have mine?
Did you finish your food?